Hey y'all. Say hey. Say hey.
Hey.
This child. So y'all, let me tell y'all. Okay, so Tice is out of town, of course, with his job, right? So I asked the princess what she wanted to do, and we had a brief conversation about Ikea. This child wanted to come to Ikea to eat. See, she's very excited about coming to Ikea to eat. She doesn't want to shop. She wants to eat.
Because I have some good Swedish meatballs.
She just wants some Swedish meatballs. I have a couple of things I need to pick up. We have to get... I know a lot of people be like, what? Okay, so Ikea has... what are they called? The plastic bags? They have these like sandwich bag, gallon bags, freezer bag things, and those are the only ones we use. I know it probably sounds bougie, but they're $2.99 for a box of like 60, and there's we usually buy them like 3 or 4 boxes at a time, and we've completely ran out because we haven't made an Ikea run in so long. If y'all been watching us for a while, y'all know that we love Ikea. So while Tice is gone, we are coming to Ikea. So yeah. So I'll try to get some footage while we're in there. But I just wanted to show y'all. I mean, is anybody else's kid like mine? Like, whose kid just want to go Ikea just to eat some meatballs? Like, I mean, they have other stuff. It's meatballs, and then what? Like, is it potatoes?
Yeah, cranberry sauce. Vegetables.
Some type of mixed vegetables, I believe. And they have other stuff, because the last time we came, they had new stuff, didn't they?
I think they did.
She ready to get out the car. Look, y'all, she ready. She ready to get out the car. She like, all right, bump all this talking. I'm ready to eat. She only had a bowl of cereal this morning, too, so I know she hungry. You hungry? So, I'll come back when we inside. Peace out. Say bye.
Bye. Cinnamon buns.
You know, they have cinnamon rolls when we leave. You want one? So she want a cinnamon roll.
I didn't say
Come on, it smell like cinnamon rolls. You know Ikea has cinnamon rolls when we leave.
Yeah.
She know that. She be trying to put on. You be trying to put on.
I didn't say I wanted them. I just said it
Smells like cinnamon rolls. So when we get there, you can say, do you want one? My daughter. Mine.
I'm not mine. I'm yours.
That's what I said.
No, you
Oh,
said
shit.
mine.
I said my daughter, mine. I gotta get me a basket. We'll be right back, y'all.
That's the only difference.
Chocolate conspiracy cake.
It's called chocolate.
I don't know. They got vegetable balls too, like vegetarian balls. That has coconut curry sauce. I don't even know what they had. Thank you. So she got her food, y'all. You happy? This is what you wanted in your life.
What I needed.
So tell them what you got. Hold on, swallow your food first.
Swedish meatballs, cranberry sauce, vegetables, mashed potatoes.
And that's what you came here for. Y'all know I can't eat all this, so I got my to-go boxes. So I'm about to enjoy this lunch with my daughter, and I'll be back. Alright, so we're done eating, y'all. When I say I'm so fucking full, oh my god. And I literally had like 3 meatballs, a spoonful of potatoes, and like 2 pieces of broccoli. I am stuffed, like for real. You good?
When you're on YouTube, do you ever collab?
You know what? I haven't collabed in a long time. I don't think that YouTubers really like to collab anymore because they selfish and they want all the clout for themselves. And if you still hit fall, period.
So we're walking going to the beach.
Ooh, boy, I'm full.
Started talking while I was talking, so she's so rude.
So that's your IKEA joke?
No manners.
That's your IKEA joke?
Yup. I don't want no scubs.
Do you know the rest of the song?
A
That just-
scub isn't gonna can't get no. Hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's.
That just tickle you to death.
Trying to holler at me.
Holler with an ER, y'all. Holler, not holla, but holler with an ER. All right, that's the next
my
IKEA
Lord.
joke. Are you done? All right, we have another IKEA joke. You ready?
Is Tad the girl you was cheating with? Really? Really? You told me she meant nothing.
That's how you feel?
Yeah.
This is what she's making me buy, y'all. Why is she doing this to me? Like, why? All right, y'all. So we leaving out of IKEA this way, this way, this way. They didn't have a couple of things that I needed, so I'm probably gonna have to come back in the next few weeks this way. So we have to make one more stop. I gotta go to Walmart to get a couple of things for the week, and one more thing that they didn't have at IKEA that I found at Walmart for cheaper. So I'm tired. I'm full, so that's making me tired. Did you enjoy your IKEA trip? It's hot down here. All right, y'all, so we're going to get back in the car, and I'll try to catch up with y'all when we get to Walmart.